Today we will be starting a newish world. I've been working on it since the snapshots came out, of course, because I wanted to see how they progressed and decided, hey, let's build a wall around around the village to keep them safe. Though I still get a few pillagers in here. Very annoying, if we're being quite honest. But that's fine. The main reason for today's video is these. My farms, my redstone contraptions. This is going to be essentially, ignore my rhymes, a redstone world of sorts. You see, you've got your automatic bamboo farms, because it'll do that all on its own. And as you see, these things will come and pick up. Or they're supposed to come and pick up. They usually pick them all up. Which is getting a little annoying. But this is a little annoying. So, you see, now that that's all being taken care of, see this? This leads over to a storage system. And I have a little thing I found out one time a long time ago. It's really nifty. Let's go over into see how the redstone works. It's quite a lot of it, but not that much. Okay. So we have our minecart with hoppers. Hopper minecarts. They are sitting, of course they're sitting on a track, but they're also sitting on a hopper. Whenever one of these, or whenever the bamboo gets to this, it opens up for these. It pushes these out to where these get cut off. But at the same time, it sends a signal from each one of these. Crap. I wish I could get that to work better. But what am I gonna do? You know? I blocked off this one because I wanted to. Oh, there is. There was quite a lot of redstone going into this. As you can see, there is a whole tunnel with, well, what is in all actuality redstone and repeaters. Because, hey, why not? Now, I'll show you in a second, how it gets from over here to over here. I'll show you behind the scenes of the storage thing. This is actually where my idea for the tunnel down here came from. I built this because I wanted to, and because I knew that you use soul sand, it shoots you up, but if you use magma, it shoots you down. I haven't been using any magma, but all in and of the same. This is the mess that my redstone is. Comes down here, sends out a pulse. see. And it goes to here because it wouldn't reach down here, and I was wondering, why is it not working? Come to find out, I just didn't have enough pulse. I'm gonna try to fix this. There. Now, whenever this one goes off, this one shouldn't go. Now, whenever this one would go off, that one wouldn't go off if this was the one that was activated. But if you get one right about here, if you get these corner ones, both of those are activated because you can't really help that, can you? The corner one over here, though, it gets cut down, but this side never gets activated because I have that blocked off. But the pistons are on the side. You'll see. That's quite a lot of hobgoblinery, but the redstone works. So I'm not going to question it. Okay, on to, well, my storage system. Yeah, over here I have the bamboo. Over here, if I can get it, I have some dried kelp. Now, while this farm is fully automatic, yeah, it's fully automatic, this farm is only halfway automatic. I'll show you this latest because it also incorporates this. This is my kelp farm. I have to pull this twice because Lord knows it didn't want to work properly. And every once in a while I'll get a straggler. And I'll go up here, I'll grab it, and I'll do this. While, yes, I could change this one to ice and just fill this top layer here with water instead. And put some signs right along this edge. It's probably what I'm going to do. Actually, we might do that in this episode. Video, whatever. But for now, we'll show you. This is, well, the whole shebang. You got your coal in 2 hoppers and 2 chests. And it leads down here, as you'll see. Now, I want to show you the tunnel first. We can forget that. I don't know what that is. Oh god. See, they come up here through the bubbly streams. And, well, I had to put that there because it'd keep flying up and landing on these slabs here. That's a later story. Okay. So, I have 2 kelp farms. I tried to do one with detectors, but the water messed with it. Yeah. You know what? I think I'm going to use instead. Yeah, instead I think I'm going to use trapdoors. Because they work. You guys are annoying. If you see here, these are my tunnels. And it leads in here. For some reason, there's about 50... Hang on. hit about 23 pieces of bamboo there. Okay, I'll just ignore that for now. Well, there isn't much redstone to this contraption here. There's still some. In here, for example. This is where, well, I mean, you've got your redstone switch on this side, I believe. Yeah, it's on that side. And everything comes in over here. But what are you gonna do? They're trying to take over. I can't believe they're trying to take over. But hey, at least sometimes they drop those. Here, get down. What do you think you're doing up here? Can you believe the crossbow's actually much quicker to kill them? Someone's dead. A thing of concern or thought is they changed it. This is the old Illager banner. And this is the new one. But in all actuality, it's kind of cuckoo. And these lanterns are actually pretty nice. This is actually quite high tech, even though it has absolutely no redstone in it at all. The middle thing. And both the surrounding objects do, though. You know what I mean? It's all a matter of perspective. Well, I mean, of course, each of these have a bit, because in order for the drop dispensers to work or function without, you know, needing a minecart or anything, you need a way for the stuff to work. Hang on, there's one over here, right here. Oh, nice. See, and the pulse leads in here. Whenever the kelp, after the kelp is cooked, it is brought down into these hoppers, which lead them down over here, which for some reason is much longer than it needs to be. Couple times longer than it needs to be, for being honest. I could have all this set up all the way down there, but I don't. What are you gonna do about it? Is it any satisfaction? Nope. I need a trap. I'll take the acacia. Nice. And the thing I got rid of. And yeah, I'm gonna need something else, but alright, water. So I grab everything I have, everything I need to be, everything and all, everything it ever was. Okay, so oh, it isn't dark. Yeah, it's just prismarine. Okay, so, for being perfectly honest here, like super duper honest, I think I'm a good designer. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to find out what I'm gonna do in life, with life. But I don't know, that's the problem. Well, it's a little more ornate and a little messier. Little less ornate and a little messier. Right, that's the word I was looking for. If I need to, I can cover it all up again. Okay, it's time to see if this one worked. Oh yeah, that's much quicker. Much quicker. I don't need the ice anymore right there. And then we can see a little bit of it, right? See? I like watching that go up the tube. And then you can see this here go down over here. It took me a while because originally that was the only thing I had going. So it was right about there. That fell out there right between those two. And I would have the bamboo going to all of these. Then I decided, hey, I'm gonna build a kelp farm. Or try to. I mean, I still ended up with a kelp farm, but I don't know. I mean, you know, dried kelp food. It'll create food for you. Now, I'm gonna do the only insane thing I can do. If you'll see. Yeah, so that was me. Yeah, whatever. There it is going up, and there it is going down. Do I have any more? Or was that all? I think that was all. Well, to be quite honest, I don't know. Yeah, but this one, I don't think this side has ever really ran except the test over here. I'd place a lever to see if this would work properly. Like, I'd disconnect the piston. Like, for instance, just connecting the pistons. If only. Or doing a little better. Hey, at least now we see, that's how they look going down. I kind of forgot that would do that. Yep, right. So, a tip when you're redstoning. Tip 1, don't do it. Tip 2, if you're gonna do it, play with your designs. You might not know what you're doing now, but give it time. Ooh, I like that. I mean, until the next episode, I'm going to, like, before the next episode, I'm going to put in a few more designs and whatnot, you know what I mean? Going to put in a few more redstone things, and then we'll talk about them. Ooh. Pretty much, it's all just a game of which one do we want to go down now, man? These work because, well, the pistons dispel, move them. It works quite honestly. I like the way it works. I do. It looks kind of weird without it, though. Oh, there that does. Honestly, though, like, seriously? Okay, so, this is just a taste of what's to come. I'll say this now. I hope you enjoy. Till next time. Like and subscribe. For the usual. Goodbye, people.